Setting altitude mode on the XC Duo, hold down for 10 seconds, which now is in altitude mode, signaled by a yellow flashing light, and this tells us that we are not just on regular but in altitude mode. Setting the altitude mode on the 1200D, we have 3 buttons. You want to click the right button to engage the top panel, then click the middle button to confirm this selection, then click the right button again to choose the settings part and click the middle button again to confirm this selection. In the settings menu, scroll down to where it says altitude, and in the altitude settings, when you click the middle confirmation button again, you have 3 options, so you can choose for the requirements of your destination. And then using the left button, we're going to go back up to the top of the altitude menu, click confirm to come out of that menu, and then we're going to use the left button again to go to the top of the settings menu, click the middle button to confirm to come out of this menu, and then click the left button again to come out of that, and then middle button to confirm.